Ever feel like you arrived late to all the online money-making opportunities? Well, today is your day, because Higgsfield AI just revolutionized the game with their AI Influencer Studio. In this video, we're going to create our own influencer and create short clips which can help us achieve our dreams of taking control of the world. Let's begin! Let's head to Higgsfield.ai. The homepage shows you all the possibilities it offers, from endless image creation tools like Nano Banana Pro to endless video creation tools, including Sora 2, Kling 2.6, and much more. But today we're interested in AI Influencer Studio, which can help you achieve your dreams of conquering the world. Here we see the AI Influencer Studio interface. Here's where the magic happens. We can either use the builder with all of these options or write a prompt. The customization options are basically endless, allowing you to create whatever you want. Let's begin with the character type. We can choose anything from a human to an ant, a bee, an octopus, a crocodile, and so on. To create our perfect Aryan influencer, let's pick a human. Then let's move to gender. We can select from female, male, trans man, trans woman, and non-binary. Here at the Reich, we don't do none of that, so let's pick female. Now, let's move to ethnicity. We can choose from African. Nope. Asian. Nope. Well, actually, if it's Japanese, it could be fine. Indian, Middle Eastern, and mixed. Oh, no! Let's go with European. That's going to be the basis for our Aryan influencer. The interesting thing is that Higgsfield even allows you to select up to 6 different races to mix them and create something truly unique. But let's stick to European. And now we pick a skin tone. Obviously white, and very white. We can select up to 3 different color tones to be mixed, or we can even pick a whichever color we want. Now, an eye color, where we can pick up to 2 different colors to be mixed. Here we don't do no mixing, so we obviously go with blue. You can also pick whichever color you want, but we go with blue! Now let's go to skin conditions, where you can also pick multiple to make your influencer truly stand out. But here, we create the perfect influencers, so we're going to skip this step. Now you have to choose the age of your influencer, adult, mature, or senior. In our case, let's go with adult. Now, if you want to create something truly unique, you can activate advanced settings, which will give you even more customization options for your influencer. Just for face, you can see many different options. Let's start with the eyes. You can choose from human, reptile, or mechanical. Then, eye details, different eye colors, if you want different colors in each eye. Then blind eye, scarred eye, and glowing eye. As you can see, we can choose all of them at once, but let's go with glowing eyes. Then, the mouth and teeth options. If you really want to go unique with your influencer, you can see different mouth sizes, teeth, and even tongues. Let's go with let's go with small mouth. Now, ears. We can choose from human, elf, no ears, and wing ears. Let's go with human. Now, horns! Oh, geez! Small horns, big horns, antlers! We don't do none of that satanic stuff here! Then, face skin material, human skin, scales, fur, amphibian skin, fish skin, and metallic. Let's go with human skin! Finally, surface pattern. We have solid, stripes, spots, chest pattern, veins visible, giraffe pattern, cowhide pattern. Let's go with solid! After we went through all this customization, we can finally generate our perfect influencer. Higgsfield is even giving some free generations, so we don't have to spend our credits. Here we got our influencer. Now we can make her come to life, but she's not up to Aryan standards that I've envisioned. Before we move on, we can either regenerate her using the same settings, or we can use Banana Nano Pro right here on Higgsfield to make our edits. That's exactly what we're going to do. Here we are at Banana Nano Pro, as you can see here, and we can choose from all these image generation models, but let's go with Banana Nano Pro. Here we have our influencer that we just generated. But to make her more Aryan, let's do white blonde long hair. 1940s Hugo Boss trench coat, very pale white skin. Now we can select the aspect ratio, and for our influencer, we should have it vertical. So let's go with 9:16. Then quality. We can either go with 1K, which is the fastest. Whoops! Do 2K, which takes longer, but gives us better quality. and even 4K, which is the highest quality but takes the most time. Then we can select the batch size, which means how many images it will generate at once. Let's go with 4. Finally, it shows us that it's going to cost us 8 credits, and we can click Generate and wait for our upgraded influencer. Okay, so here we have our 4 updated options with Banana Nano Pro. This one kind of looks like a bathrobe, so we are not going to pick this one. Meow! Brr! This one is great. And by the way, in all of the options, we have this beautiful blue pale hair. Heil! Then we have this black coat, which is great. And we have even paler, blondier hair and skin, which are great traits to have. Meow! And this one is kind of similar to our first option, with the same pants and exposed belly button, which is really not good. So let's go with this one. We can see her perfect blonde hair and fair skin, blue eyes, and she even has the newest iPhone. She's going to be great as our new Uber influencer. Now when we go to AI Influencer Studio, we see all the variations of the influencer that we've generated. Let's pick this one, and we have free AI Motion Library, where we can replicate viral TikTok clips. Let's click Explore More, and here we can recreate any motion with our influencer. We can even upload our own motion from an image or a video. Here we see an entire free library of viral TikTok clips to choose from. Let's go with this one. When you click, it appears here. Then we can choose the quality, 720p or Full HD. Finally, let's generate the video. Meow! All right, after a few minutes, our video is done. Let's take a look at it. The motion is pretty smooth, and it looks absolutely realistic. Just look at the way our Aryan influencer moves. She's going to be great for our cause, bringing people to the movement. But that's not everything that Higgsfield's AI Influencer Studio offers. As I've mentioned before, we can even add our own videos to replicate the motions from. For this test, I found this royalty-free clip of a woman under a blanket blowing a kiss. This test will show us 2 things. First, how the tool deals with partially obscured subject, and how it deals with the source video being horizontal instead of vertical. And to make the result more effective, I'll slightly enhance our influencer with Banana Nano Pro. Let's go! And here's the result in 4K. While the motion is slightly awkward due to our influencer not having a blanket to hold on, the rest of the video is phenomenal, and it captured the motion of the source video brilliantly. This AI influencer will definitely manage to recruit people to our cause of world domination.